Let's look at Try It. A collector has a box of 32 figurines. The value of each figurines increased by $2.32 over the past year. The box of figurines is now worth $114.24. What was the original cost of the figurines? And they want you to have that as X. So we have 32 figurines. Each one of them had an original price X, but each one of them increased by a price of $2.32. And now that new price is $114.24. So just what we had done in the previous problem. Two ways to solve it, right? So we're going to try to do this in both ways because I'm not sure where your preference is yet. Okay, so I don't know if you want to distribute it first. I don't know if you just want to take the problem and say, hey, instead of distributing it, why can't I just go ahead and get rid of that 32 first? So if I distribute it, I do 32 times that, I get 32x. And then I do 32 times here. And then I'll bring down the 114.24. Okay, so sorry, most of you guys will have a calculator, but hopefully, again, we know how to multiply by decimals if we had to do it by hand. We're doing 32 times 2.32, and we get 74.24. So undo this by subtracting the 74.24 first. I know I should know that off the top of my head, but I'm not right now. Okay, I know it's an even number because the 24 cents will subtract each other out. So you get 40. We're going to get 40 over here. And then over here we get 32x. So to get this x by itself, we're going to divide by 32. We're going to divide by 32. And we're going to get x by itself. And this is going to be 1 and some change. 1 1/4. 1.25 is what we get. So other way we could have done it is divided by 32 first. That's going to get rid of my 32s. That's going to bring down my x plus 2.32. And then over here, I'm going to get 357. Making sure I'm doing that right. Yeah. If I take 114.24 and divide it by 32, I'll get 3.57. And then I can minus 2.32 from this side. I can minus 2.32 from this side. And when I do that, I'm going to get x equals 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. It's 125. Same answers. Don't care which way you like doing it, but just make sure you understand both and you use which one is strong for you. So what is written here and then convince me, can the equation 32x plus 2.32 equals 114.25 be used to solve this problem? It can't be used to solve this problem. If you look, when we distributed and got 32 by itself and the growth, the thing is we've got 32 books that grew this much, not just one book that grew $2.32. We had 32 books, so we need to make sure we've got an addition of 74.24, not just one addition of 2.32. So that equation is in this convince me isn't going to work.